PRHYLI is a place of learning and improvement for the young Hispanic community. Over the next few days, we are here to show our families, communities, and the world how great we are and how far we've come. Remember, change begins with each one of us.
PRHYLI es un lugar de aprendizaje y mejoría para la comunidad de jóvenes hispanos. En los próximos días, nosotros estamos aquí para demostrarle a nuestras familias, a la comunidad y al mundo qué tan grandes somos y hasta dónde hemos llegado.
Delegates have spent many hours preparing for this weekend. We've come together and discovered that we are all families, and we are all also leaders who are ready to change the world. This change begins here, right now, today.
Los delegados han pasado muchas horas preparándose para este fin de semana. Hemos llegado juntos y hemos descubierto que todos somos familia. Y también todos somos líderes, cuales estamos listos para cambiar el mundo. Este cambio comienza aquí, ahora, hoy. Somos uno, sí se puede. Gracias, Dolores. We are one, yes we can. Thank you.
The future is in this room. It is about leadership, and it's entrusted to you.
Every time I come to this event, I realize how humble I feel in the presence of the young people that are going to be the leaders in this country. If there is one thing that I admire, is young people making the right decisions and trying to understand what is it that I can do to make sure that my community is heard. And Angelo said it very well, right? We are the ones who have the power to move and to make the changes that are needed.
I'm always inspired and humbled by you. Each year, you do extensive research and debate timely topics that impact our lives and communities. Let's take an opportunity to recognize the power of this leadership program at a critical time in this country's history.
I know it takes a lot of effort. You guys have put a lot of effort to be here, and I am so proud of you already, and I wish you a great weekend.
What I want to remind you of is after this is over, after you move on in your life and you're in college or whatever you're going to do in the next phase, don't forget what it means to participate in government.
I take your words, your challenges, your experiences during this time together with me for the rest of the year, knowing that our future, our hope, our dreams are so much embedded in the work that you're doing.
Don't underestimate ever the power you have as young adults, as young students. Your voice is heard, it will be heard. Crank up the volume, speak to justice, social and economic justice.
There's a space for everything to be discussed, but we can't continue to go down this road where we only think about ourselves. We gotta start thinking as a community, together. That was the vision that Angelo and Toro had when he realized that there weren't enough Latinos in this chamber. When he realized that the only way to accomplish something greater was to empower the next generation, and that's why he founded PRHYLI.
And when they tell you that you are not supposed to succeed, what are you gonna say? Stand up, everybody stand up and put your hands in the air. Put your hands in the air and repeat after me. I have it in my hand to be somebody. I have it in my hand to get an education. I have it in my hand to help my people